Hello everybody, welcome to another video, another package opening video. Mandrick again from their main site, Nakano, Nakano. This was they sent me a new item just because the previous item I had. Let's see. I know it's another arm. I just posed it like this because the other version hasn't the right way, but right here. The peg right here is broken, so in and out pretty much. It doesn't want to stay, and then the peg right here is broken. When I took it out of the box, the tail wasn't fully secured and it fell out. That was a warning that something might have been wrong. And there was. The item itself has been damaged. So I talked to the customer service and they said they sent me a replacement. It took a while, it took about 2 weeks because it was the holiday season. And here we go. The lady I talked to said she fully inspected it, so everything's okay. Everything's packaged nicely. Mandrake has been my main stop for Sentai Mecha. I've been using that place for more of the shopping instead of middlemen. So far, this is the only time that I really had a problem with Mandrake, and talking to the customer service, it took me a while just because, again, it was the holiday season. After that, they sent me an email saying, "We're sorry, I'm sending out you new product." And now it had been 2 hours later, the tracking was sent and everything was shipped. Alright. So far, connector joints are all okay. Nothing wrong with it at all. But I've been told that this thing is pretty weak, so when you clip it in, clip it out, be careful. Use both hands. Okie. Just doing a opening video because the last one I did on this one was I wanted to open right away, so I didn't record it, and that was a bad mistake. Let's see. Very loose. You see what I mean? It starts to come apart. Being very careful because I don't want to break this. Connector joints all intact. taking out some of the dust. I mean, when I first got this one, because it was right before Christmas, I was so disappointed because it was so loose. I bought the American version just so I bought this one just so I had because I had the American version. I was so psyched to get it. So far, all looking nice. Nothing wrong. The last one had a dirt smudge here for some reason, and but yeah, their customer service in Mandrake Auction is pretty sweet. It's pretty nice. They're really amazing people. Can't say anything bad about them. So if you have your chance, guys, go check out Mandrake Auction. Nice place to go if you're looking for a certain mecha from Japan. Go stop by. And they really have good deals. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our next video. And kudos to their customer service representative. She was very nice about my problem when I had here about their previous figure. So, enjoy.